Hey friends, if you encounter critical structure corruption, blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to unplug peripherals. Why? Because peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras interfere with the existing drivers in the computer, and that causes problems. And this also causes the blue screen of death error because there is no way out of it. This is the main reason. So try unplugging all the peripherals and see. And after that, update all drivers. How? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select optional updates, expand, select all the driver updates and all the updates for that matter, and click on download and install. The next solution is a clean boot. So to isolate the case with the interference of third-party software products, search for system configuration, go to system configuration, go to services, click on hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services is selected, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one, update it. Right click on the second one and update it too. And lastly, run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.